Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen for 20th April 2021. So, this analysis is for 20th April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 21st April. So, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So, let's get started. So this is the chart of US dollar Japanese yen, and we can see that right now market is in downtrend. Okay, so let's switch to the weekly time frame to have a better picture. And in the weekly time frame also we can see that market has formed a red candle. Okay, previous week also market formed a red candle, and considering these candles we can easily tell that yes, market is in downtrend, and yes, stochastic RSI is also pointing us towards the downside. Okay, therefore in the week, according to the weekly time frame, we should only be looking for selling opportunity. And now let's get back to our favorite 4 hours time frame. So this is the 4 hours time frame, and let me zoom out the chart. If I zoom on the chart, I can see that market has or had support in this level, and right now market is trading just below this support level. Okay, so then what should be a strategy? Considering this considering the present trend and the weekly chart also, we can easily tell that if we look for buying opportunity, then we will be going against the trend, and we can also see that market is trading below this support. In case market reverses from here also, then it would not be a wise decision to go for a buy order. So then what should be a strategy? Strategy is simple: wait for the market to go up so that we can short the market. As of now, you can see that market is in oversold zone. So let the market go up. Let the market go up and see where the market goes. When market will be in sorry, when market will be in overbought zone, then look at the position of the price. If you see that market is getting resistance from the 50 moving average, or market is getting resistance from this trend line, I can draw a trend line here. Okay, I never trend line. Okay, I'm not a big fan of trend lines. Okay, so I do not trade on the basis of trend lines alone. Okay, therefore look at the position of the price when stochastic RSI will be in overbought zone. If you see that at that particular point of time market is getting resistance from the 50 moving average, or sorry, from the trend line or from the 50 moving average. Okay, 50 MA or trend line. You see the market is getting resistance and about to go down again, then you can short the market. But as of now, market is in downtrend. Do not look for buying opportunities. In case market goes up, also it may be a trap. You should know when you should avoid the trap. Therefore, considering all the factors, you should look for selling opportunity only. And the best opportunity as of now is to short term market. When market will be going up again, getting resistance from the 50 moving average or from the trend line, short term market. That's it. This is a simple strategy that you can follow for US dollar Japanese yen for 20th April 2021. Okay, hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're watching my videos for the first time. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, and please like my video.